here, I guess right here is yours. Right here. On this side. Right there.
One of them was for you, by the way. Here's yours.
That's for me.
Yeah,
Wow.
that
For my live stream.
This one looks like it's mine.
That looks like yours. All I thought I don't have a present. Why is it that I have a present now? Okay, so what's in there?
Hey, it's a molecule kit.
And what?
Molecules.
Molecules?
Yeah, I get to make molecules.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to connect them?
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
You have to figure it out. Okay, put it away for a while. There's another one?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
What is this? Hey, the clock that my dad showed me.
Okay, what?
Look,
Oh, wow.
Pendulum.
Let me see, let me see.
it
Wow.
looks like you cut
Gears,
this.
jets.
Looks like
So you're going to assemble them? Oh, good. So those presents are really good for you because it's going to stimulate your imagination. What is that? While we just put it together later. How about that? Next box. How about the big one? That one.
What is it? Hey, microscope.
A what?
Microscope.
Oh wow! You got a microscope?
Yeah, microscope.
Seriously? Oh, gee whiz. Can you show it to me? What are you looking?
The scissors.
Oh, the scissor. It's right here. Careful with that scissor. You don't want to hurt yourself. There you go. Lucky you. You're going to have a microscope? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Wow. You've got a microscope. Ooh. What it says?
That thing right there says warning or caution.
Okay. Oh, so okay. So be careful. Let me see. Show it to me. Be careful. Do not just totally drop it because it's a very expensive project. Yeah, okay. Just stare it, look.
Hey, microscopic slides.
Oh, so you can use that with this.
Yeah, slides.
Uh-huh. You like it?
Yeah.
It's going to be exciting. It's science. He's not disappointed, Dad, because it's science. He likes it. He loves science, right? You do. Okay. So how? Oh, there's another one in here. Can you open this one for me, please? What is that? Oh, an earphone. Headphones? Okay. Let me see.
Yeah.
Thank you. How many oxygen?
Water yet?
I did make water.
So how many oxygen?
Has it got the right bombs on it? Sure. Which sticks is obey the
Yep, I got the bombs. Correct.
Okay. How many hydrogen?
How many hydrogens I have to put on this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 2. The whites are the hydrogens. The
Okay.
red is the oxygen.
Okay.
That's what the point says.
Okay. So that is a chemistry, right?
Yeah.
It's chemistry. So what's the next one?
Custom ones probably, since there's so many different types of molecules in this universe.
Okay. Can you make a chain of you? Your chain?
I don't know how to make a whole bunch of my molecules, but I just created carbon dioxide,
Okay, carbon dioxide.
which is what causes the electricity.
Okay. What's the black one?
The black thing. The black is carbon.
Okay, and the two reds?
Is oxygen.
Okay. So you're going to have a lot of practice on that one. That's cool. And this one too. And a microscope. So this is what you're gonna be doing the whole day. Putting them together. No computer for a while. Right? Probably. I guess you need a container for that so that you're not gonna lose them. Okay, put them right here. Those sticks so that you're not gonna lose them. Short bond. You think so? Okay. Are you happy about it? Oh, good. You're going to figure it out.
That's a disconnector. Disconnect.
Oh.